In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change a decimal number to a percent. So if we have a problem like this one that says, how do you write 2.7 as a percent? So step one, remember that a percent is 1 part out of 100. So 1%, to change that to a decimal, we divide it by 100. Okay, so we move the decimal over twice, right? 1, 2. So divide by 100 for percent to decimal, but we're going from decimal to percent. So how does that look? It looks like this. So when you're going from a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. Okay? So when you multiply by 100, you move the decimal over this way, 1, 2, and you're left with 1%. Okay? So step 2, just like above, to change a decimal to a percentage, multiply the decimal by 100. So we take 2.7 and we multiply it by 100, right? Because we're going from decimal to percent. So when we do that, it equals 270. So write the answer as a percentage. So when you're converting from a decimal to a percent, once you've done that, you have to put the percent sign at the end. So it's 270%. Final tip, because you are multiplying by 100, move the decimal in 2.7 2 spaces to the right. And the way to remember 2 spaces to the right, there are 2 zeros in 100, so you just move it twice. So this is how it would look. So you take that decimal that was here and move it 1, 2, and the decimal ends up here. And that's it. That's the entire lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. And as well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.